everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a little heads up, if you see any like darkness, you know, like around my face, just got my hair dyed, so yeah. But anyways, Inspirational Kendra is back today. I am doing another like kind of tips video, and today is going to be all about how to make 2019 just a really good year. Now that doesn't mean that shit's not gonna happen, and there's probably gonna be a handful of not great things that happen this year. But that's life. We all know we gotta deal with the good and the bad, but we can focus on the things that we are able to control so that we kind of make it the best year that we are able to make it. So let's get on with this video, and I will share my 6 tips for you guys and myself to make 2019 a really good year. The first thing, kind of the most obvious thing, is to set some goals. You don't even have to label it as New Year's resolution because I feel like it's just such a big label. It can scare people off sometimes, you know? A lot of people like to just kind of brush off the New Year's resolutions they make. And I have done it before. I make some, call them New Year's resolutions, and I don't know, it's like it's too much of a title. So just look at them as short-term and long-term goals for the year. Break down the goals and see what steps you need to take to get to that goal that you want to achieve. It's good to be realistic, of course, but dream big too. The next thing is to find a way to present all your lovely goals that you just made. I made a vision board for 2019, and actually, it's right there. I made a vision board for 2018, but it was like halfway through the year and then till the very end. But it really was amazing. I loved it so much. It just really helped being able to look at what I wanted to accomplish every single day. I just woke up, turned around, and it was right there. So that's why I wanted to make one for this year, because it really seemed to work pretty well. And if you're kind of confused right now and don't really know what a vision board is, it's basically just a board with a bunch of pictures or words. You can print stuff, you can cut things out of magazines, and they all kind of represent your goals and your dreams for that year. You can also just write your goals down somewhere, or maybe even like make a video of you talking about your goals. I don't know, a vision board's just kind of my favorite because it's really simple and you get to look at it every day. It's pretty pleasing to look at too because it's just a bunch of pictures and words. Next tip is to stop being afraid. I know you're like, what are you talking about? I am talking about more so being afraid of things you want to do. It's really easy to just not do things because you're maybe afraid to fail, or you're afraid of how you're gonna look in front of people, or maybe it's just a huge change and you're really afraid to do it. But make this the year that you slowly work on breaking that wall down. The thing is, we are all going to be afraid sometimes, at least most of us, and you just can't let that stop you. The next thing is to focus on self-care. I learned how important self-care was in 2018, and I really just want to continue to kind of better myself with that and continue to try and give myself all the care I need. Take time for yourself. Go treat yourself. Go do something fun. If you're feeling bad, know that that's okay. It's okay to be sad, to be mad, to just feel down and want to cry and need a huge tub of ice cream. Like, just do it. Just eat the tub of ice cream. It's all right. It's okay to feel that way. And you need to know that it's okay to feel that way. When you're feeling down, take time to do something to take your mind off of it, or to do something that maybe makes you a little bit happier in the moment, even if you really are struggling with forcing yourself to go do something. It will help. Self-care can even mean going out and having a fun night with your friends, or maybe spending time with the person you love, maybe spending time with family, and just being happy in that moment, because that's part of kind of taking care of yourself too, you know? The last part of the self-care category is physical self-care. Take care of that skin, do a face mask once a week, treat yourself. Go get a workout that makes you feel good. Put good food in your body to make you feel good, because ultimately that's what self-care is. It is about making you feel good inside and out. The second to last tip is to do more of what you love to do. Maybe take time to sit down and just make a list of all the things you love to do, of your hobbies, just the little activities that make you happy, so you know what you need to incorporate more into your life. Because ultimately, that's just going to make you so much happier in general. I mean, I think in the end that what's really going to matter is the relationships we've built, the love that we've shared, and that we've just been happy doing things we've loved in our life. The last tip to kind of go along with that is to just spread more love. Now, obviously this tip applies not just to yourself, and it doesn't just benefit yourself, it benefits the people around you too. You gotta think, when you're angry, when you're mad and just holding a bunch of grudges, you're not gonna be your best self. You're not gonna feel great inside. The best thing you can do is to just slowly let go of that anger when you feel it, and to just be more kind to people in general. Take those little opportunities to help those people around you, or just invest more in the relationships you already have. Spreading love is going to feel way better than spreading a bunch of negativity. Alrighty guys, sorry for, all the cheesiness. Not really. But I really do hope that it inspired you a bit and gave you a little more motivation to make 2019 just a great year for you, or as great as you can personally make it. The sun's going down and I'm using my windows right now, so that's why the lighting's gotten really weird. Just an FYI. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and follow me on my social media accounts. They are in the description below at the beginning of this video, or all of them are at It's Kendra Sue. I hope your 2019 has started off really well, and that you are having an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you in the next video.